Part 4, Eclipse Configuration and File Setup. Before implementing a sample application, we need to ensure that the settings in Eclipse are correct and that the EC-LIB functions are known within the project. The same way we updated our project, right-click on the project, we open the Eclipse settings under the Properties tab. In the settings we choose C++ Build. The arrow symbol opens a new submenu with the further settings. We change the settings of the GCC compiler via the menu item dialect and choose the ISO C99 standard for our programming language since the EC-LIB was programmed in C adhering to this standard. After setting the ISO C99 standard, we also need to tell the compiler the paths to the headers and the link of the paths to the functions. Therefore, we navigate in the same menu to the Includes tab and add the include path to the EC-LIB headers. Afterwards, we select in the same menu the Libraries tab to ensure that the library functions are known in our project. Hence, we set the library search path to the EC-LIB functions folder and confirm our selection. We also enter the name of the library. With Apply and Close we save the settings made before. Now that we are done with the Eclipse settings, we can create a new C file in Eclipse. Therefore, we navigate to the example project and open the menu once again by right-click. We select the tab New, open the according submenu and choose Source File. We name the new source file volume comparator.c. as we want to implement a function that compares two volumes with each other in our sample application. In this newly created C file we first include the EC-LIB header ec32demo.h. In addition, we also add the standard I/O library, as we want to implement an output to the user via printf later on. Moreover, we add a main function, which remains empty now, but serves as a framework for the following integration of our functions. Then we save our changes and build the project. The build process also serves as an indicator of whether all settings have been set correctly. If the settings have been set correctly, we should not receive any error messages at the current project status.